The ACWA JPIA 2024 to 2025 Risk Control Grant Program recipients are Katsuma Operation and Maintenance Board, Citrus Heights Water District, Clear Creek Community Services District, Fall River Valley Community Services District, Humboldt Bay Municipal Water District, Rancho, California Water District, San Juan Water District, Stockton East Water District, Truckee Donner Public Utility District, Utica Water and Power Authority, Vista Irrigation District, Yowima Municipal Water District. Congratulations to all of the Risk Control Grant Program recipients this year. Here are a few recipient updates.
Hello, my name is Rosie Bishop, and I am an administrative assistant for the Katsuma Operation and Maintenance Board in Santa Barbara, California. Our agency is contracted with the U.S. Bureau of Reclamation to provide water from Lake Katsuma to the communities on the South Coast. Our operations division is responsible for operating and maintaining nearly 200 confined space structures along the South Coast conduit, which is critical to regional water reliability. These structures require routine inspections, which are challenging because many structures are tall, narrow, and were built on uneven terrain. Our previous tripod system was inadequate and challenging to position, which made access to our structures less efficient and potentially risky. Through the Risk Control Grant Program, we were fortunate to acquire a 5-piece hoist system, which includes a lower mast extension. This system was specifically designed for our unique structures and provides a stable, OSHA-compliant method for confined spaced entry. This project directly supports JPIA's commitment to excellence by advancing fall prevention, strengthening worker safety, and reducing exposure to injuries. The davit arm system serves as an engineering control by providing a secure anchoring point and a 360-degree rotation for precise positioning. It eliminates the need for unsafe field adjustments and allows safer, more efficient access to structures. This enhances both employee protection and operational reliability. Since implementing the system, our field staff have experienced more efficient workflows and increased confidence during confined space operations. This equipment has reduced setup time, minimized risk, and will continue to ensure consistent, safe inspections across our system. On behalf of the Katsuma Operation and Maintenance Board, we would like to thank the JPIA for making this project possible and for supporting long-term safety and operational excellence.
Hello. My name is Joseph Houston. I am the Operations Supervisor here at the Fall River Valley Community Service District. On behalf of our district staff, I would like to thank the JPIA Risk Control Grant Program for awarding us funding to improve workplace safety. With this grant, we purchased a radio detection RD 7200 line locator. For small rural districts like ours, investing in specialized safety equipment can be a challenge. This grant made it possible. The RD 7200 has already proven a valuable tool. It allows our operators to accurately locate underground utilities before we begin excavation or repair work. This reduces the risk of damaging water and wastewater lines, prevents costly service interruptions, and most importantly, it protects the safety of our staff and the public. By improving accuracy and efficiency, this equipment also helps us work smarter and respond faster to emergencies. What once required extra time and uncertainty can now be done with confidence and precision. This grant has truly enhanced our ability to provide safe and reliable service to the community. I want to extend my sincere appreciation to JPIA for supporting districts like ours and for helping us build a safer working environment. Thank you from us here at the Fall River Valley CSD.
Hello, we're at the San Juan Water District Bacon Pump Station where they recently installed this new fencing with the razor wire. The previous fence in the past had issues with trespassers hopping the fence. We have 2 new large generators over there that we want to protect. So the district applied for JPIA's Risk Control Grant Program. They won. They installed this new fencing to cut down on vandalism and theft. There was an issue in the past of people breaking in and leaving their aluminum cans and debris. There was a contractor who had some tools and equipment stolen. So using the grant program, we installed this new fencing, which is a commitment to excellence program, infrastructure, loss reduction focus area. So we thank San Juan for applying and winning the grant.
Here at Vista Irrigation District, we have some pretty big trucks. With those big trucks come pretty big blind spots. But thanks to ACWA JPIA and a safety grant, we were able to get some cameras for these big trucks and greatly improve the safety. These cameras are 4-channel, so you can see all sides of the truck, forward, left, right, and back. And if you want to see full screen on one of them while you're driving, simply hit a button and you can see whatever side you want. Thanks, ACWA JPIA.
Hi, I'm Juan with Yowima Municipal Water District. I am the Assistant Operational Manager here in Humboldt Valley, California. And today I want to talk to you about the risk control grant that we got through JPIA for our work lights and hazard lights. So in talking with our risk control advisor, he talked about the grant, and the best way to utilize that for us was to equip our vehicles with amber hazard lights and work lights. As you can see here, we equipped all six vehicles of ours with front, side, and rear mounted amber lights, with the addition of having left and right alley lights. So benefit for us is keeping our employees safe on the highways, lets people know that we're there. Also, when we're working on leaks or we have a call out, we have the possibility to illuminate all our work area. We were able to work with a professional installer familiar with the MUTCD and Cal OSHA regulations. So we developed an SOP and we ran through with the employees on how to utilize all our lights, and they made it super simple with installing a switch panel on there. And I just want to give a special thanks to JPIA for always keeping safety in mind for all our employees and helping us out outfitting our vehicles with all these lights.